Hi all, welcome to IT Learn More. Let me take you through the web designer job profile here in this short session. The contents covered includes who a web designer is, roles played by web designer, essential skills, essential tools and technologies, career opportunities, and job outlook. A web designer can be defined as the one who creates and arranges the pages that make up a website. So he balances on how a page looks against its functions. He creates web pages which are accessible to all, irrespective of the device they use. In simple words, web designing can be defined as the design process relating to the front end or client side design of a website, including writing markup. To just go through the roles, web design actually encompasses different skills and disciplines in production and maintenance of websites. So, based on the areas they focus on, web designer plays a variety of roles. Few of those areas are cited below. Web graphic design, which is nothing but designing web templates related to e-commerce, graphic editing, and banner designing. Interface design. It deals with process of developing a method for two or more modules in a system to connect and communicate. Authoring. It includes standardized code and proprietary software. User experience design. It interacts with a given IT systems to address all aspects of a product or service perceived by the users. Search engine optimization or SEO. It increases the visibility of a website or web page in natural or unpaid search results. Apart from all these roles, a professional is also responsible for the visual aspects such as layout, coloring, and typography of a web page. A web designer needs to have various skills. Few key skills he needs to have expertise in include working knowledge of using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Flash to create a site. Then he needs to be aware of web accessibility guidelines and usability. He needs to have excellent marketing and communication skills along with experience design and interactive design skills. Motion graphic design skills are essential. He needs to understand the trends of the website's audience along with conforming to standards. A web designer needs to have good knowledge about few tools and technologies. Few of them are listed here. To create a web formatted imagery or design prototypes, he needs to have knowledge about vector and raster graphic packages. For creating websites, he used to have good knowledge about standardized markup that could be hand-coded or generated by WYSIWYG editing software. WYSIWYG is acronym for what you see is what you get. Proprietary software based on plugins bypasses the client's browser's version. These often are WYSIWYG with option of using software scripting language. Search engine optimization technique is used to check search engine ranking and suggest improvements. While markup evaluators, testing tools for usability and accessibility are other commonly used tools. If you look at the career opportunities, one who aspires to become a web designer needs to have a degree in computer science or a marketing related degree in business administration or e-commerce. Internships, small consulting projects, certificate program, or advanced degree programs are always an added advantage. One can enter the field either through formal training or self-training. Self-training is nothing but how most designers learn design skills and design languages by themselves as they develop the pages. In case of self-training, the career is often started in marketing, administrative, or other roles, taking on web design duties as needed. You see the career path or job outlook. Based on the skills and interests of the individual, a web designer may always progress to senior levels within the web design function and may also advance within a marketing communications function. To progress in the career, obviously he needs to have strong interest in graphic design along with passion for clean code. Background in web marketing, website design, or information technology always gives an added advantage to the candidate in this field. According to payscale.com, average salary of a web designer in the US is in this range, $27,078 to $72,664. To know more about the web designer job profile and other IT profiles, you can always log into IT Learn More, most trusted website for all learning needs by students, graduates, and working professionals. You can always find us on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.